here we are. This is today's site visit, which with this Fiat FL4, which is from apparently 1963 or 1965, and the guy's got 3 of them in various states. This thing here is a donor machine, and the plan is for me to document the restoration for a potential article in Earth Movers. So this is really the start. But he's suggesting that he's going to have it all up and sorted and restored, ready for the shows next year. So that would be interesting. So we're at another location now, and this is apparently the first one that Nigel bought, and it's one of his favourites. It's apparently a G registration plate, and if you notice from the other video, the loader arms are slightly different, well, very different in fact. So this is one of his favourites, apparently, out of the 3. 4-in-1 bucket, drop 4-in-1 bucket. So it's going to be really nice to see how this goes, really. Looking forward to seeing it at one of the shows, one of the rallies down here in Cornwall in the future. There's not many of these about, I'll tell you.